Explaining the basics of DNA to kids. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a fundamental building block of life found in all living organisms. Explaining this concept to kids can be fun and educational. 1. What is DNA? DNA is like a set of instructions that tells our bodies how to grow, develop, and function. It's found in tiny structures called cells, which are like the building blocks of living things. 2. DNA shape. DNA looks like a twisted ladder or a spiral staircase, called a double helix. Imagine two long strings twisted around each other, with steps in between. 3. DNA's parts. DNA is made up of smaller parts called nucleotides. These are like letters in an alphabet. There are 4 types of nucleotides: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. They pair up in specific ways, A with T and C with G. 4. Genes. Genes are sections of DNA that contain instructions for making proteins, which are like tiny machines in our bodies. They determine traits like eye color, hair texture, and even how tall we might grow. 5. Inheritance. DNA is passed down from parents to children. Kids get half of their DNA from their mom and half from their dad. This is why children often look like their parents or share similar traits. 6. DNA in living things. All living things have DNA. Plants, animals, and even tiny bacteria have DNA that helps them grow, survive, and reproduce. 7. DNA replication. When cells need to make more cells, they copy their DNA in a process called replication. This ensures that each new cell gets a complete set of instructions for functioning. 8. Discoveries in DNA. Scientists like Watson and Crick discovered the structure of DNA in the 1950s. Their discovery helped us understand how DNA works and how it's passed on through generations. 9. Fun DNA facts. If you could stretch out all the DNA in your body, it would reach from the Earth to the Sun and back many times. DNA is so tiny that it can't be seen without a powerful microscope. Studying DNA helps scientists learn about diseases, how our bodies work, and even solve mysteries in history. 10. Learning more. Encourage kids to explore more about DNA through books, videos, or interactive activities. Learning about DNA can be exciting and help them understand more about themselves and the world around them.